My to-do list was a monster. I had all these ideas, projects, and deadlines swimming around in my head and absolutely no clear way to tackle them. Honestly, it felt like I was spending more time organizing the work than actually doing it. So I decided to put three of the most popular AI planners to the ultimate test: Motion, ClickUp, and Notion AI. I pitted them against each other for a full week to see which one could actually turn my jumbled thoughts into a stress-free schedule. And let me tell you, the result was not what I expected. All right, let's meet the players. First up is Motion, which is famous for its AI-powered auto-scheduling. It promises to build your perfect day by automatically organizing your to-do list right into your calendar. Then you've got ClickUp, the all-in-one productivity beast that can do just about anything. Its AI, called ClickUp Brain, is designed to enhance and automate workflows across their entire platform. And finally, we have Notion AI, which lives inside the super popular connected workspace. It's known for turning messy notes into structured plans and now includes AI agents. My experiment was simple. I took a real project with about 20 different tasks, a handful of meetings, and one very hard deadline. I dumped this chaotic list into each of the three tools. I judged them on three things: how easy was it to get my tasks in? How smart was the AI at building a schedule? And how well did it adapt when life happened? Getting my brain dump into each tool was the first test. ClickUp was a powerhouse of versatility, letting me generate tasks from a simple prompt with its AI. Notion was pretty similar. I could just paste a messy list onto a page, and with one click, Notion AI turned it into a full database, summarizing the items and even adding properties. But Motion felt like actual magic. I could forward it emails or just type "schedule a planning meeting," and it would parse everything, creating tasks automatically. It was by far the fastest way to get from a scattered list to an organized set of tasks. For pure frictionless input, Motion had a clear edge. This is where things got really interesting. How did the AI actually plan my week? ClickUp's AI was helpful for automating things like status changes, but I still had to do the heavy lifting of actually putting tasks on my calendar. It's more of a co-pilot. Notion AI let me drag and drop tasks into my schedule, which was visually satisfying. But the scheduling itself was a completely manual process. It organizes, but doesn't plan for you. And then there was Motion. I clicked a button, and it just built my entire schedule. It analyzed my calendar, priorities, and deadlines to intelligently time block every single task. Tasks I marked as high priority were scheduled for my peak energy hours, and the whole week was just laid out. It was a completely hands-off experience. If you're already getting exhausted just thinking about your own to-do list, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm always testing out new tools to help us work smarter. As we all know, no plan survives contact with reality. An urgent, can't-miss meeting popped up mid-week, and this is where the tools truly showed their differences. In both ClickUp and Notion, I had to manually drag everything around. It was that old familiar game of digital Tetris, recalculating my day and figuring out what to postpone. Motion, however, handled it instantly. The new meeting appeared, and the AI automatically rebuilt my schedule around it, shifting lower priority items without me lifting a finger. This dynamic rescheduling was the feature I didn't even know I needed. It completely eliminated the stress. So, who won the battle? Before I started, I thought I wanted endless flexibility. I assumed ClickUp or Notion would win. But the surprising victor was Motion. I realized that what I thought was a need for flexibility was actually just a symptom of not having a good system. Motion forced me to be realistic about my time. Its automated scheduling saved me from decision fatigue. While ClickUp and Notion are great for other things, for turning a chaotic to-do list into a livable schedule, Motion was the clear victor. It didn't just give me tools to manage my time, it gave me my time back.